Happy Tuesday! It's Tuesday when we hop on over. It's Tuesday, March the 16th. We are already to the 16th, and check it out. Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. I better see you in your green. All right, it is Tuesday, Tuesday. What does that spell? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. I'm going to show you some time on my digital clock today. Here comes some time on my digital clock. Take a look at my digital clock. How could we show this on our analog clock? Think about what minutes we see. What's the hour? If it's on the hour, it's right on the hour for our hand. If it's half past, remember it's usually in between. Let's take a look. Did you show 8:30 with our half past our minute hand down at the 6, and in between that 8 and 9, here it is on the big Judy clock, it is 8:30 or half past 8. All right, let's check out what our number is today. As we slide on over, we see the number 70. Our number today is 70. It sounds like there's going to be a D in our word 70, but those decade numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. When we get to 100, doesn't have it because there's no tens there. 70 actually has that TY. Remember we talked about that TY tells us how many tens? 7 tens for 70. Still that TY, 70. So how many tens in 70? 7 big ones. 7 tens. What about the ones? I gave it away. I said it's 0. There are 0 ones, right? What if I left the 0 off of this number? Would it still show 70? It would just be the number 7. We got to remember that 0 is holding the place for those ones, right? If we don't write a number there, we don't think there are any. We wouldn't think there was another one, right? The 7 is telling us there's ones there if we have no 0. But because the 0, now we know it's 7 tens, 0 ones. Okay, so can you show 70 with your base 10 blocks? How would we write and draw? Give you a few more seconds. Did you draw 7 tens and stop? 7 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We don't need any ones. So 70 is the same as 70 plus 0, right? That 7 tens are equal to 70. There's 0 ones. Nice job. Okay, 70 is our number. Do we remember what 1 less is from 70? It's different. We would have to do something with the 10 to be able to really do it and show it. 69, right? Right before 70 is 69. What's one more? It's tricky because it's not right beside it on our 120 chart. We have to come all the way down here, right? 71 is one more. 69, 70, 71. Ooh, we're really good at counting on the decades. So if we have 70, 10 less is 60. What would 10 more than 70 be? 80. Good. 60, 70, 80. You got it. Oh, yesterday we had 100, 2 tens and 0 ones for 120. We're going to add one more. So it's 0 and one more. 1, right? Just one more. So now we have 1. We still have 2 tens and 100. That makes our number 121. It is 121, or the 121st day of first grade. And we don't have to move anything on our 120 chart because we made it to 120. Our chart has ended. We could add some more, but we will run out of space if we try to add beyond 130 because my board doesn't have any more room. So we just won't worry about that part anymore. We'll still keep track of it over here and on our 10 frames for that. So don't you worry. We are still growing our brains. Okay, our piggy bank would like to have 77 cents in his tummy to fill him up. Let's think of 2 ways we could show that. We could start with our dimes. 10, 20, 30, oh no. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we could have 7 dimes. How could we get to 7 more cents? If we have the 70 cents, how could I get 7 more? I know 5 and 2 make 7. Could we use coins to do that? A nickel and 2 pennies. Let's see. 70, 75, 76, 77. It worked. Ooh, what about, are there 3 coins that can get me to 75? Do we remember that? 25. 1 quarter. Another quarter gets me to 50. Another quarter gets me to 75. Then how many more would I need? 75, 76, 77. 2 more. So then I would just need 2 pennies. Ooh. Tomorrow we're going to do our least amount of coins and we're going to use 2 quarters and see what else we can do for our number. I'll be interested to see what it looks like. I'll see you tomorrow for Hump Day Wednesday.